Hey, it's OhioJimbo, and I want you to subscribe to my channel, if you would, just so I can show you a lot of fun things. What I'm going to show you today is I'm going to show you how a lead intro to a song is really made up of the chords that it's played in. Now, the simplistic thing about this is it's the Joker. The Joker is the song I'm going to show you, and it's really in three simple chords: G, a C, and a D. And that's the only part of the chords. There is a D7th used in there at some places, but I'm going to simplify it for you and just show you a G, a C, and a D. And the really cool part is that I'm going to show you that intro is out of those three chords. So when you hear that, that is out of a G, and then into a C, and then a D, back to a C. So that is so cool because it kind of lets you know that when you're playing those chords, there's certain notes that happen out of each one of the chords that you can actually use to identify the song. And what that teaches you is that if you're playing a G, you see, I'm just hitting that top string, and then I'm walking up through the next ones. So a G, walk it up to a C, and then if you look at the C, then walk it up to a D, which it opens all the strings up. See, that would be the D, and then the C, now, I'm going to show you the chords here, and you'll see that these chords are really just those notes, and then you can just kind of keep playing it through. So if you practice this, just kind of practice it. Don't look, I mean, you can look when you start, but just sort of get to the point where you... That part right there, when you just keep hearing that over and over again, if you strum that at a party, someone's going to know, and they're going to start singing it. You know, if it's kind of just, some people call me the Space Cowboy, some call me the Gangster of Love. See that? If you kept playing that through it, and you could also play the... And the whole lyrics just follows all the way through that. Everything you're singing. You get to the chorus, it's, I'm a picker, I'm a grinner, I'm a lover, and I'm a sinner. I get my lovin' on the run. Or whatever the lyrics are. Joker, I'm a smoker, I'm a midnight toker. Sure don't wanna hurt no one. That's how simple that is. There's a lot of songs that do that. You'll find songs from Skinner, from Seeger, from all kinds of groups that play, and they use a lot of notes out of each one of the main chords. And I like to show you those three basic chords because G, C, and D really doesn't get any easier than that. But play those G, C, and D, and let yourself down here with your right hand just kind of... Now that is the coolest beginning. And then when you get to it and people start singing with it, you can just kind of play the chords through. I want to tell you this though, this is the most important part about it. You don't have to be, other than those bass notes, you don't have to be accurate with what you're picking down here when you're strumming a chord. And I call it a big chord, the big G, C, and D. G and C are so big, they just kind of have so much going on. But you can... Now I am coming up and down here. It's very random. I wish I could tell you, oh yeah, 3rd string, 5th string, 7th string, 7th string. Any string on here doesn't matter. It really doesn't. Let your right hand kind of find those. But when you're hitting the bass string, it's really coming back up and down, especially on that C. Have fun with that. Let those 3 chords walk you through. The best thing I can tell you on this one is let yourself learn that lead lick. If you get that and just do it over and over and over and over again, people will recognize it. And when you get those people singing, you just kind of break into the G, C, and D. And I'm not singing this song for 2 different reasons. Number one, I'm not a singer. I really don't sing that much. But number 2, I don't want to get a copyright strike. And a lot of these songs that get, copyright issues, I'm not here to offend anybody. I don't have any endorsements. I don't have anybody backing me on this. I just do this for fun and letting you see what this is all about. Now, your subscriptions help me out. Your views help me out. Hitting the like button really helps me out. What's really cool is if you're on your mobile phone and I've uploaded this video within like the last 7 days, you can hit that hype button, and that hype button really accelerates where my channel is going to go. So the bigger my channel gets, the more of these songs I can teach you. And if you got friends that are wanting to learn guitar, I'm just going to break it down to you in the simple way. So this is the Joker. That's the lead into it. I hope you have fun. Subscribe to my channel. And well, this is OhioJimbo. And if I don't see you out there, I'll see you in here.